All right, so today I am trying to figure out what I'm going to name my new property services company. And my first choice is North Idaho Property Services, but I'm pretty sure that name's going to be taken, and you can't have two companies in the same state with the same name. So let's just check it out. North Idaho Property Services. I went to the Secretary of State website. Every state has one of these, and sure enough, here's a North Idaho Property Services that's currently active. So that isn't going to work. I guess my next choice could be like CDA Property Services. I live in Coeur d'Alene. People call it CDA. That's taken. Some people call the North Idaho area the Panhandle, so I can try Panhandle Property Services. I'm coming up with these pretty fast because I've been thinking about this for a while. So Panhandle Property Services is taken. So let's go to Claude and get AI to help me brainstorm. So I'll say I wanted to name my new company North Idaho Property Services, but that name is taken. Give me 20 other ideas for names that are similar in that they are related to North Idaho and they could cover just about any service related to property, building, handyman, remodeling, landscaping, residential, and commercial. My goal with this company is basically to create a catch-all company that I can advertise just about anything and to just give me maximum opportunities to figure out something later. So we have North Star, no. Idaho Timber, no. Evergreen Property Specialists. Evergreen Property Services could be cool. Let's see if that one's taken. That one's dissolved, so I could do that one. So that's good to know. Silver Valley Lakeside Property Solutions. So let me just make sure I don't forget that stuff. So what if I did Lakeside Property Services? Hey, no results. Lakeside or Evergreen? Evergreen Property Services. I kind of like Evergreen. That's got a nice ring to it. Coeur d'Alene Property Experts. I don't really like pros or experts. Like, I just want to keep it kind of tame. North Country Home and Commercial. That's kind of cool. North Idaho Home and Commercial. North Idaho Home and Commercial. Probably not taken. Yeah, it's kind of a long name though. Northern Lights Property Group, Idaho Heritage, Lake City Property Solutions. Lake City's another, like, what people call Coeur d'Alene. Honestly, I think I'm going to go with Evergreen. That sounds really rad. So Evergreen Property Services. So the next thing I will do is I need to register this. So businessanywhere.io is what I use to register businesses. So I'm going to go there and see how fast we can do this. And really the whole reason I'm doing this today is because I just got a call from some lady I have like a landscaping company that's kind of on ice right now, like not doing a whole lot with it. But I did have a lady call today looking for help with yard. She's got yard spots in her rental house from her dog, and she wants help with that. And so I have somebody who wants me to do a job. This kind of small job I would probably go do for cheap or even free in exchange for getting a really awesome review for her, and it'd be nice if I could get the review for the new company. Probably not, because it'll take me a while to get the Google listing up. But I wait for a trigger to take action, and the trigger just came like, what was it, 13 minutes ago? So we're doing it. Evergreen Property Solutions. No, services, not solutions. Services. Evergreen Property Services. All right, entity type, we're going to do an LLC. State, we are in Idaho. And we'll hit next. You can file your own LLC stuff. I prefer to use these guys because I have multiple LLCs, and honestly, it's for the $100 or $200 I pay a year, like, it's worth just not even having to think about it. That said, it's not a bad idea. Like, I did do my own LLC the first time, and I did my own annual reports, and I did all that myself, so I know what goes into it. It's not a bad idea to know what goes into it, but at a certain point, you just decide that you'd rather have someone else do it. Okay, so registered agent, including free with your order. Sure. Let's keep going. So yeah, I think it's like $150 a year to have a registered agent, but the first year is free. Let us handle your EIN. I'm not going to pay $100 to get an EIN because it's very simple. You fill out a form online and just do it. But look, if you don't want to bother with this stuff, these guys will take care of everything for you. I know the guy that owns this company. I trust him. They do good work. Yeah, I don't need an operating agreement right now. It's just me running it. There's no like partnership or anything. And I'm not going to need a consultation. I don't need any of this stuff. I'll start my own bank account with my local bank. No, don't need. Don't need a mailing address. I got one. And then we'll just do standard. I'm not in a mad rush. This stuff doesn't take that long anyway. Keep going. Credit card's already in there. Oh, country. I'm in the United States, of course. State, Idaho. So once I get this all done, I'll be able to get my contractor's license and get my Google listing set up. I'll probably start the Google listing maybe even today. And then by the time I have to verify it, I should have the paperwork for this. Industry, construction, property services for residential and commercial property owners and managers. Keeping it vague. I want to do everything. Evergreen Property Solutions. We won't need, this is just in case this one's not available, but I know it's available because I already checked. Yeah, we'll just use all that. And then myself is the only owner or member. Wow, why am I blowing up? Oh, this is the lady sending me pictures of her urine stains. Yeah, I'm responsible for everything. This is a generic address. Okay, complete. Come on, where is it? There it is. All right, so that has been submitted. I'm not sure how long I've been recording, but it's probably about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes to figure out the business name and file for the LLC. That'll probably take about a week. And after that, I'll be good to go. So in the next video, I'm going to create the GMB, and we also need to look into the contractor's license. So that's coming up.